Hi everyone, welcome back to Decorate Your Table with Brenda. I hope you all had a wonderful summer. We took some time off, we did some traveling, we went to Ireland to see family and friends, it was great. And we did some construction work around the house. So now I'm back and I have a quick little centerpiece to show you. Canadian Thanksgiving is this weekend. So I have a quick little centerpiece that you can throw together at the last minute for your table. I started with this little pumpkin that I bought at the dollar store. It's a little glass pumpkin and I really liked it. I didn't want to use floral foam inside because I didn't want a big lump of green on the inside. So I used this chicken wire and I just cut some off and rolled it up into a ball and stuck it inside my pumpkin, and I can put my stalks right into that. These flowers, I've had these fall flowers around for a year or two. I just keep a collection of them. I have a collection of all kinds of yellow and orange flowers because that's what I wanted to use. So these little sunflowers, we're going to start putting them in. Some nice orange flowers. That's a little high, so I'm going to bend it down. We're just going to keep going round and filling it up. Sunflowers. We're also going to use some leaves, and I actually took some green ones because they help give a little bit of definition to the oranges and golds. A little bit of red to give it a little bit more color. I'm going to mix in some leaves as well. This is going to give it the look of, I just picked these beautiful flowers and put them together. The colors merge together and kind of give the look of a flame. Very simple, but very warm looking. So now we're going to put it on our table. Okay, as you can see, I made two others. I put a little lace runner on the table, put some leaves. In Canada, this is a great time. You can even go outside and you can pick some nice fresh leaves and you'll get all the different colors. But I keep these ones and reuse them every year. And some little pumpkins, add some candles, and we have a beautiful centerpiece.